Hi everyone, in this video I will show you how to get voice chat in Roblox. So first and foremost, you have to log into your Roblox account and then tap on your settings at the top right corner. So if you go to your settings and go to your account, you need to meet the voice chat requirements in order for you to enable this. You must be at least 13 years old and your age must be verified. For verification, you have to complete one of the following, like the phone number verification and government issued ID upload plus a selfie scan. Now, what you're going to do here is you have to go to privacy and content restrictions. You have to click this one. And then here under privacy and content restrictions, you should see the communication. And what you're going to do is you have to tap on or click communication here. Now under communication, you will see these options. And one of this is the voice chat. And what you're going to do is you have to click this and make sure that this one is toggled on. If this one is off, you just have to toggle this one on. As you can see, you can now use the voice chat. You can read the following here and then tap on enable. And basically, that's how easy it is to get voice chat in Roblox. Thank you for watching and see you again in our next video tutorials.